Good day to the training community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Holon Olowu Hayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the global community and also one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, TBC has come to offer humanity freedom, total freedom from slavery, from lack, from poverty. There is a quotation ascribed to Arnold J. Tony B. It says, as human beings, we are endowed with freedom of choices, and we cannot shuffle off our responsibilities upon the shoulders of God or nature. We must shoulder it ourselves. It is up to us. In everybody's life, the rain will fall. At everybody's house, sometimes trouble will come. But when trouble stops by, you can choose to sit there and cry, or you can choose to stand up and fight. I know you can't control which way the wind will blow, but you can determine which way your boat will go. If the wind blows to the north and your course is to the south, then you can use the flow to sail your way. It is your choice. Successes in life is never due to chances but to choices. You can choose to go on, to go through, and to keep going, or you can give up, give in, and get out. The race in life is not for the swift or for the strong. It is for the one who just keep moving in spite of all odds. When the chips are down, it is up to you whether you will win or you will lose. People or circumstances can't be blamed for whatever you get. It is your choice. So if you want to get up to the top, you must choose to believe in yourself. Rely on God for grace. Give it all you've got, and you never, ever stop. Guys, this is a charge and an admission to every one of us that the choices in life, the choices we make in life are what make us. And especially to the criminal community, the offer has been held going to 6 years now for you to decide what you want to be, a millionaire or a billionaire. A millionaire or a billionaire, the latter is better off. And the opportunity is still out there, especially to be among the core team members. Guys, there is still slots available. Simply choose to pay your program fee in cryptos regularly monthly, and that is the only difference. And by that, you earn more coins, more TBC to yourself, and don't forget it automatically. You are also acquiring more key love coins to yourself. So, guys, the choice is yours. Make a good and a better choice today. We've been saying this over years, but you can still, it's not yet late to make the good choice. Make the good choice today. So, decide and make that good choice today. It is well. Thank you all. We are looking forward to see you in the community and for you to choose the billionaire program fee and pay regularly and be among the billionaires. Thank you. Love you. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that button on that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe and share to others. Bye for now.